Hello there, Libra. Welcome back to Universe 1111 Tarot Reading. Thank you so much for tuning in here today. And in this reading, we are going to take a look in the month of October 1st to 15. Keep in mind that this may and may not resonate with all of you here because this is a collective reading and not a personal reading. Libra, I hope you're well. I hope you're doing fine. Without further ado, let's begin. Hello, baby. My baby is behind here, so if you hear any noise, she's here with me. All right, guys, so let's get into your reading. In this reading, we are going to take a look in the recent past, present, and the near future for you, clarify the cards, and pull up some advice. So stay tuned until to the end. Your challenge for this period is the Page of Cups. The Page of Cups, I'm getting here a new person, all right? There's a new love here coming towards you, all right? Page of Cups is a beginning, is a chapter. What you don't see it coming on the bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you've been really nurturing yourself. You've been grounded. There's part of you here, you've put a lot of effort. There's something you're about to receive, even your eyes won't believe. That's what I'm hearing. So this is what you don't see it coming. Now I'm going to clarify your challenge very soon, but first let me look into your reading. In the recent past, you have the Four of Cups, the Nine of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Would you? Just a second, guys. There she is, but you can't see her. She's just playing. So in the recent past, what I'm saying here is you tried to offer love towards somebody and somebody rejected you. When this person rejected you here, there was a lot of thinking here you went through. A lot of, you were not sleeping. You couldn't sleep. There was part of you here worried whether this person loved you or not. There's part of you here tried to find out the truth, if this person truly cares about you. In the present moment, you have the Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. In the present moment, you seem to have walked away from something didn't work out, or situation or people. The Queen of Swords, this is you getting serious in your own throne. You feel your best, all right? The Ace of Cups being here, I see a new love for you, all right? I see a new love. I'm not getting an existing love. Take out resonate with your situation. I am getting a new love. Take out resonate. Now, in the near future, you have the Star, the Two of Pentacles, and the Three of Pentacles. In the near future, I see you actually making a decision. And this decision is to work something or communicate something here. Take out resonate. This could be also working out things with somebody, all right? The Star being here is I see you having hope that something will work out. So let's start clarifying and see what's going on here for you. I'm going to start with your challenge, which is the Page of Cups. Yeah. Spirit, tell me more about the Page of Cups for Libra in their challenge. The Page of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Cups, the Page of Swords, and the Lovers. I feel like you have walked away from a relationship, and because you have walked away, you have let go of something that didn't work out for you. The Page of Swords here, there is somebody watching you in social media. I also feel like somebody could be Googling you, how is your life going right now, how you're doing things. The Lovers being here is, I feel like you're about to meet a true soulmate connection, okay? Because you have let go of something didn't satisfy you, something didn't work out for you. You are actually opening gates for somebody new, somebody who's actually your true soulmate. So you are about to meet a true soulmate for you here. I will say it's a good energy because a lot of you have realized, this part of you have realized there is more out there for me, that like I can actually find a true soulmate. So because of that, you are about to meet somebody in this relationship. It's gonna feel so good because this is somebody vibrate like you. It's like a soulmate connection here, and it's gonna be a really, really big deal for you. So the Page of Sword I'm seeing here is Spirit is trying to say, before jumping into a relationship, make sure that you are analyzing situation, or you have understand somebody what they truly want in a relationship, or understand yourself what you truly want in a relationship before beginning a relationship with someone. Now that's your challenge. So let's clarify in the recent past. Spirit, tell me more about the Four of Cups for Libra in the recent past. Well, this is my first time doing a reading while my baby is here. The Four of Cups is clarified by Eight of Wands, the Hermit, and the Seven of Pentacles. In the recent past, you tried your best to communicate, you tried your best to reach out on somebody, loving them, but somebody here was really ignored you. Somebody ignored you here. Somebody missed opportunity from you. I feel like this really raised a lot of stress within yourself. You start asking yourself, what's wrong with me? Why this person cannot love me? There's part of you even doubting what you're doing here. You were doubting whether you should continue loving this person or stop loving this person. Let's clarify the Nine of Swords. So this really affected you. Even you could not sleep at all because you were thinking, do they love me? Do they even care about me? There's part of you in that energy. The Nine of Swords is clarified by the Two of Swords, the Ten of Swords, and the Three of Swords. Look at that. Yeah. So yeah, you were scared. You're like, okay, maybe this is going to lead us to a breakup. Maybe they're going to end up things with me. There's something you're going through in your mind. Your heart was in pain because they rejected you. There was part of you here feel like you could never trust anyone again. You had a lot of fear of like facing the reality that maybe this is coming to an end. Maybe this relationship is coming to an end. Like maybe they don't love me anymore. The fact that they didn't take the opportunity from you or they ignored you, this really scared you and it pushed you in a place where you were hurt. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is clarified by the Nine of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Page of Pentacles. So when this pain or situation, you are overthinking about it, I see you actually trying to find out the truth, whether this person want to really commit themselves towards you or not, okay? Some of you here, you find out the truth, okay? After taking fast move, fast action, you find out the truth that this person is not really into marriage or settling down, and this really disappointed you. I also see that there is another option here came for you. Opportunity came for you here. And I feel like that's something out of that you were going through. There was something new came in, which was beautiful. Whether it's a new job, maybe career here, something was started bringing a lot of money into your life, even though you went through some sort of crazy situation here. Let's clarify in the present moment. Spirit, tell me more about the Five of Pentacles for Libra in the present moment. Wow, I'm actually surprised. I'm reading until now, she didn't scream. Now, the Five of Pentacles is clarified by the World, the Four of Swords, and the Page of Cups. You are finally withdrawing your energy and you're closing this cycle once and for all. You are walking away from something that didn't work out for you. You had a lot of failures, or this relationship had a lot of failures, whether it's situation or relationship. I see you retreating, okay? You're withdrawing your energy and you're setting yourself free because you are trying to find something better for you. Maybe looking even for true soulmate. So because you've withdrawn your energy, somebody here is after you. A Knight of Cups, I feel like it's somebody here coming after you because you've chosen to walk away or close this window, close this cycle once and for all. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords. So I see you actually being very cold, to protect yourself, not cold as a bad thing. I feel like you're trying to protect yourself because somebody here is after you and you are done with them. The Queen of Swords is clarified by the Three of Wands, the Five of Cups and the Devil. So you have actually taken the next step of your life, leaving something that has been disappointing into your life. The devil being here is, I feel like you've freed yourself, you've set yourself free from something that has been holding you back, from somebody who has been toxic or toxic situation. It is a good feeling because you feel free right now. You feel free, you feel amazing. You have walked away from something that has actually been very difficult for you, or pass on. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. The Ace of Cups is clarified by the High Priestess, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Two of Wands. So right now, I feel like you are in love with yourself for some of you. Like you're loving the energy, you're loving the flows. And by the way, this is your month, and happy birthday to you, Libra, if you're celebrating during this week from October 1st to 15 or the whole month. Yeah, I mean, all Libras are born in this month of October. So you guys, happy birthday, and may your wishes and dreams come true. May you receive anything that you're looking for. So back to the reading. I feel like you are in love with yourself. There's something here about you feeling good, feeling great about yourself. And I feel like you're psychic, you're very highly intuitive. That's what I'm getting. There's something here about you loving. The Eight of Pentacles, some of you, this is about job, career, okay? You're fully concentrated, you're fully focused on creating, and there's part of you here have let bygone be bygone. You have left something behind and you're focusing on moving forward. Some of you, again, there's somebody here has feelings for you, and somebody is in love with you, and there is this energy. Somebody wanna like really make you happy or get to know you. Take out resonate. Let's clarify in the near future. Spirit, tell me more about the star for Libra. The star is clarified by the Nine of Wands, the King of Cups, and the Two of Cups. In the near future, I see you meeting somebody, okay? There's part of you here not sure to open up though, because you've been through a lot. But if you choose to take a leap of faith, this love is going to grow to like you and this person are going to get in a deeper connection here, all right? The Two of Cups and King of Cups being here. So you're going to meet somebody actually who's very serious with you, Libra, if you open up into that, all right? And Spirit is trying to say this love will help you heal some way or another. It's going to help you as a person. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. So you have a decision to make in the near future, and this could be about this new person in your life. The Page of Pentacles is Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Seven of Swords, Five of Swords, and the Six of Wands. I feel like you are not sure whether you should make this decision because there is a lot of confusion. There's part of you here, your mind is saying something else and your heart is saying something else. So it's not easy for you to make this decision because you're not sure. Spirit is trying to say you need really to stick with what you want, regardless what anybody says about your situation or your decision. So it's all about you deciding what you truly want so that you can make this decision. Don't make this decision because of people, they say so, they say that, oh, this and that. Just make this decision from your heart, okay? You will see that this decision will help your wishes and dreams come true, and you are going to actually develop, all right? And success will flow into your life. Like people, you're going to be happy after making this decision, in short, all right? Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Wands, the Page of Cups, and the Emperor. Now, I see that in the near future, there's somebody here trying to apologize to you because they realize that you have moved on, and so they are afraid that they will never see you again. I also feel like this person is somebody who's watching you, how you're doing your life in social medias and all that. I feel like they are gonna apologize to you. And there's something here about them saying, I'm serious now, I'm ready to take it to the next level. You know, you're my person, I never moved on, I never stopped loving you. So somebody is gonna express themselves here. and trying to apologize to you in the near future, because they can see that you're moving on with your life, and they're not happy about it. They're regretting. All right, take out resonate. Now, this is your reading, Libra. Let's see what is your advice for this week. For this period, not this week. Okay, so your advice is the Queen of Wands, the Chariot, and the Strength. The Spirit is trying to say always do what your heart says, all right? Listen to your heart, all right? Involve love into everything you're doing. Spirit is trying to say it is time to take your life to the next level. It's time to grab your bags, like focus on moving on. And if you feel like you don't have energy to move on, Spirit is trying to say tap in your own inner knowledge. Call on your ancestors and spirit guides to assist you at this moment on giving you more strength so that you can move forward. For some of you here, it's something like you are in a relationship but things ain't great, and you're like, okay, how will I move on? I have no strength to really move on. And Spirit is trying to say here, it is time. Use your passion, use your ideas. You have plenty of ideas and passions, okay? Find something to motivate you, all right? And if not, call on your spirit guides. They will assist you and guide you through this journey, and to actually help you gather some sort of strength and confidence in order to do this. This is your reading, Libra. May God bless you. Stay safe. Until then, see you next time. But before seeing you next time, I want you to meet my baby. Come on, baby, out. Come on, baby, out. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. There, sag hello. Kira, da. Say hi. There. Say hello, Libra. Say hello, Libra. Yeah, she has grown up. She's now 4 months. So you guys, this is it. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Again, see you next time. Bye for now.